G'day guys, today I'm going to pull apart a Telstra T-Box, which if you're not an Australian, a Telstra T-Box is basically like a digital set-top box with a hard drive that you can record. There's a hard drive in there. You can record TV shows and movies. It's supplied by a company called Telstra Bigpond, which is an internet service provider. Yeah, there's other features you can use on it, but it's only if you're using their internet. If you're using them as your internet provider, you've got extra features on this. I've tried using it with another provider, but the features don't work. So what I'm going to do today is basically I'm going to pull it apart. They're a pretty crappy unit. The digital set-top receiver in it is crap. It does cuts in and out all the time. I've used me one in the television, which is the inbuilt one, works fine. As soon as I plug this one in and tune it in, it cuts in and out. It's really garbage. So yeah, I'm going to pull him apart and see what I can. I think it's got a 300 gig 320 I think hard drive, so I'm going to use that on one of my laptops. 320 Seagate Pipeline HD Mini. Oh, it's a tight little bugger. Oh, I'm going to take these other screws out first. Yeah, so they're a bit of a gimmick, these digital boxes. Sort of like if you're in the States, it'd be like your is it a TiVo box? You pick up all the free-to-air stations as well as you can go connect to your Wi-Fi and go online and download movies to watch, DVDs, which of course you have to pay for per view, which is pretty crappy. But this is, I've had two of them. This is my second one. First one shit itself. This one I thought it's still working, but I don't want it. It's crap. I'm just basically the hard drive. That's all I want. Warranty void if removed. Well, I think it's beyond that. Ah dear. Come on. Just the top. Nothing spectacular there. On off light. It's front USB. Garbage. Right, what have we got? I reckon that would be Wi-Fi plugged into the USB. Pegatron, P-E-G-A-T-R-O-N. PCB made in China. Doesn't surprise me. Pretty basic. No, I'm not even going to try to Yeah. Screws, screws, screws. Everywhere there are screws. That's looking a bit better. There we go. One perfectly good, nothing wrong with it. Oh, I stuffed it there a bit, but that won't matter. Seagate Pipeline HD Mini 320 gigabyte. Cool. Made in China. So basically, nothing spectacular with this. It's another USB port there. I don't know what that was for. It's a front USB. I could never get them working, they're useless things. I'll keep the Cosmos battery. I'll keep that. Dime a dozen, but you never know. 3 volt. Never know, might come in handy for something. Yeah, that's basically it. Telstra T-Box. Load of crap. Basically that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to do today. I wanted to get this hard drive out. That's what I want. That's what I need. Yeah, see you next time. Please subscribe, please like this video, and I will speak to you next time. Bye.